Think like a programmer. From self-driving cars, photo apps, to flying rockets, its software technology is founded on fundamental concepts of programming. Programming allows you to take control of the computer and give instructions. To do this well, it's helpful to learn how programmers think. This thinking skill is also called the computational thinking. Computational thinking helps solve problems. Let's take a look at an example. Emily needs to get to her softball game, but she's running low on fuel. Find the shortest path to the game. Go! What does it mean to do computational thinking? Here are the skill sets. 1. Breaking down a complex problem to smaller, solvable units. 2. Recognizing patterns and finding underlying principles. 3. Creating algorithms to solve problems. These are some of the computational thinking skills that a good programmer has. Let's do some simple exercises to discover computational thinking in us.